Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a very special car. How many miles do you have on the resto here? 50 miles. So I got Mike, my neighbor. He's selling his Nova. So tell us about it, Mike.
64.
Yeah.
383 stroker. Brand new 350. Turbo 350 tranny.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of a stall in it, right?
Yeah, it is 2900.
2900.
Everything's new.
Yeah.
Ford 9-inch. We lowered the car. Wilwoods in the front. Power steering, power brakes, power windows.
Great. I love the power windows. Such a nice touch.
Yeah. Full new interior.
Mm-hmm. This color is killer.
Yeah.
It's a modern color, right?
Yeah.
It's a Toyota or
2016 Volkswagen.
Volkswagen.
Pretty good metal strike in it.
Really nice. I love the newer modern colors because they have like shadowing and then they have metallic, crazy metallic.
Yeah.
You know, sitting nice on the rallies.
Yep, lowered 2 inches.
Brand new TAs. I like the staggered fitment you did. Gives it a nice muscle car look, you know. This paint, man, wow. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it is popping. Lays really nice against the red. It's all brand new in here as well. Front to back. Oh, you see, Ididit tilt. Got some Procar seats. These are nice because they give you pretty good bolstering, you know. Power windows. Billet wheel wrapped in leather. Full gauges. New carpet. Man, everything's new in here.
Yeah, new headliner, new everything.
Headliner, new visors. Man, I love this body style, bro.
Yeah.
So nice. So what made you build a Nova? Was it something you had as a kid or something you remember?
We had one when I was younger and my mom had passed away and it was for sale in her neighborhood where she was living when she died, so I bought it.
Yeah, very cool. Everybody has some sort of memory about a car.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, it's just such a cool car.
Yes. Drives nice too. Tires light right up. Super straight body. I mean, it's so new. You didn't even wet sand it, and it looks mint. Look at that. A wet sand and a ceramic would make this paint gleam. Wow, this piece even back here is super nice. You know how expensive these are? Is that new?
No, that's all original.
Wow.
You can see there's a tiny bit of pitting in it.
Very little.
No, the car was clean when I bought it.
How many miles were on it?
I don't know. It's a whole long story, but it was nothing what it was supposed to be.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Looks great now, man. It's everything it's supposed to be.
Yeah, no, it's 5 years and a lot of money.
5 years. Wow. Spent 5 years building it. Wow. And put 50 miles on it. I think that's conservative.
One car show. No, I just drove it to Wading River. That's it.
Oh, Eastward?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's the only time I drove it.
Oh,
I flatbedded it at home.
50 miles, bro.
Well, then I drove it around the neighborhood.
Oh, gotcha. Man, everything. The carpets, the seats, the sills, the door panels.
I just took the plastic off the seats.
All brand new. The plastic is still on. Look at this. It's still on the seatbelt. We're going to leave it for the new owner. Mike wanted to peel it off.
Yeah. You want me to pop the hood?
Yeah, let's check it out. 3D3 stroker. What is it? 400 horse?
It was 465
Whoa.
dyno sheet
On
when I
crank,
bought the
obviously.
motor. Yeah.
Wow. So you got aluminum heads, I see.
Yeah, it's a blueprint motor.
Oh, cool. So it's a 3D3 stroker, 360 horse? 460 horse?
It was 464.
464. It's got a nice cam in it too. Man, new.
Yeah, because, it's
And blueprint heads. You can see how new this is, guys. Look at the friggin' valve cover gasket.
Oh, yeah?
Billet Pullys, flex fan, new Shroud, new Champion Radiator.
Yeah, this goes on forever.
Forever, right? MSD Coils, 6AL, MSD. Got headers down there, long tubes. MSD Distributor. What kind of carb? Is that a Holley?
Yeah. It's a brand
What,
new,
650 double pumper? 750?
brand new Holley.
It looks like a 750, bro.
I don't know what it says.
It's not gonna say the CFM on it.
It's not an economy car, that's for sure.
So the gas mileage probably. Just joking. But it's really about gallons per smile.
Yeah.
This gives you the smile. Man, was this a body off or body on?
No, because it doesn't have a subframe, so.
Oh, well, yeah, obviously. But a
everything was
rotisserie,
pulled
everything was out.
Everything was painted, and
Wow.
I wanted to paint this silver, and
motor
the guy wanted to
mouse.
paint it black, so he painted it black. I don't know. I guess maybe it was too much work. He said the orange would pop better with the black, whatever. I like when the body color is the same.
Yeah, I kind of like this.
But no, it's
Each
fun.
his own, whatever. Man, even looks like brand new horns. New padding under here. A few bucks in this car.
Yeah.
Can you fire it up?
Yeah, sure.
What is that, Flowmasters?
Yeah.
Cool. Long tubes, what, 2.5 inch?
Yes.
Cool. Oh, it's got a 4.9 inch under here too. 370 gears. No super punchy, but yeah, great on the highway. Sounds good, Mike.
Yeah, no, it's clean. It still run. I mean, I haven't started in a long time.
I think it's time to do some donuts.
Oh, it'll do donuts.
So nice, the motor out of the box, you know, not some piece of shit,
Yeah, right.
junkyard, you know.
Yep.
Plop it in and you're good to go. You know the horsepower, the specs on it, internals, everything. And everything's new.
Yeah.
Right down to the plugs, wires, distributor, you name it. Water pump, steering pump's new. Yeah.
Yeah, everything's
That comes bolted on like that?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Power brakes, power steering, power windows. Let's take it for a ride. Man, this paint. Jeez. Can't. I don't know if you can see that, but that is fantastic. It's comfy in here too, no?
Yeah, this thing's probably straight as an out.
Able to do that all around the neighborhood.
That's touching the gas.
I don't think you've ever had it fully pressed,
No.
so you're too scared.
Yeah, I can't afford the gas.
Oh, that smells so good. Nice
Like,
smell of
literally
rubber.
Let go of the wheel and it's just
Yeah, super straight.
no vibration.
Well, that's the benefit of having something all brand new. It smells delicious. It's nice too when you're just cruising around.
Yeah, well, that's really why I got it, just to, you know, hang out.
It looks like all the gauges work.
Yeah. Tack works. Windshield wipers work. Windows work.
Radio does not work.
Headlights. Now, you know, they make this aftermarket.
Yeah. Who listens to a radio in a muscle car? Seriously?
Listen to Pandora on my phone.
Come on, man.
Yeah, my phone with Pandora.
Yeah.
That's what I do on my phone.
Yeah, that's what I do in my car too. Everything's new. Shocks, bushings, springs, new.
Yep. Yeah, it's a pleasure.
It's awesome. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Click subscribe below. Mike, thank you so much for
Thank you.
showing us your car. It's 731-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures on our website or check out the comments below. I've got a link to probably 200 photos I